Morning guys, in front of me is VIVO X300 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first, let's enroll the settings. Then find and select users and accounts and mark Add Account. Now select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And at first provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. Then mark Next. And now it's time to enter your password. And as only the password is entered, just mark Next. Now mark if this device belongs to you or to your kiddo. Select Next. Here you can go through all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy smoothly by tapping. You can check everything, read it, and if you do agree, and actually you have to agree it, mark I agree. Here you can customize backup if you want to. And that's it, the account is added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.